APX Talk, Season 2.
Good evening, everyone. I am Jewel Jahdama, a student of class 11th A from Baker. My mother, Rosina, is a homemaker, and my father, Manzoor, works as a hardware technician in UAE. I aspire to become an aeronautical engineer, as I believe education lays the foundation for achieving one's dream and promoting equality in society. I have a passion for reading, writing poems, and swimming. I strongly believe that education plays a crucial role in promoting equality and giving everyone a chance to shine, regardless of their background, gender, caste, or creed. It empowers individuals to break barriers and make this world a better place where everyone can thrive. This is my first time participating in Apex Talk, and it has been a wonderful experience for me.
Good evening, everyone. I am Jewel of class 11 studying here at Apsara Public School. It's a privilege to stand before you today to talk about something that shapes lives and open minds: education. Education is not just a pathway to personal growth and success. It is also a powerful tool for promoting equality in society. Equality means giving every individual the opportunity to thrive, irrespective of their background, gender, race, or socio-economic status. And education at its core embodies this ideal. It creates a level playing field where talent, hard work, and determination matter more than the privileges one is born with. Now, let's start with the fundamental truth. Society is rife with inequalities. Some children are born into affluence, while others struggle for a single meal. Some live in urban hubs with access to resources, while others grow up in remote areas, far removed from opportunities. Without intervention, these disparities often determine who succeeds and who doesn't. But education changes that narrative. It equips individuals with the skills and confidence to rise above their circumstances. A child from a small village can grow up to become a doctor, a teacher, or a scientist. A girl from a patriarchal society can learn to lead and inspire. And someone born into poverty can rewrite their story, not as a victim, but as a victor. Now, let me share with you the remarkable story of Gukesh Dummaraju, the youngest world chess champion. Gukesh didn't born into a family with extraordinary resources, nor did he have a guaranteed path to success. What he had, however, was access to quality education and a strong support system. His school recognized his talent and nurtured it. Education wasn't just about textbooks for him. It was about critical thinking, strategy, and discipline. Gukesh's rise to becoming a world champion in chess shows how education promotes equality by giving everyone the opportunity to shine. It is this equitable access to knowledge and skills that allowed the boy from India to conquer the chessboard and make history. Education does more than open doors. It gives people the power to keep those doors open for others. For instance, in many developing nations, educating women have shown remarkable effects. An educated woman not only make herself employed, but she educates her children, improving the lives of the next generation. Similarly, programs aimed at educating underprivileged children have helped countless individuals to rise above poverty. These examples underscore how education transforms not just the life of individuals, but an entire community. Beyond skills and knowledge, education cultivates empathy. It teaches us to respect diversity and understand perspectives different from our own. A classroom, after all, is a microcosm of society, a space where students from different walks of life come together, learn, and grow. This exposure to different ideas and experiences is vital for breaking stereotypes and prejudices. An educated mind does not discriminate based on color, caste, or creed. It values merit, character, and humanity. The beauty of education lies in its ripple effect. When one person gets educated, they uplift not just themselves, but also those around them. A single teacher can inspire hundreds of students, and a single student can bring change to an entire community. When Gukesh became the world champion, he didn't just make himself proud. He inspired countless young minds across the globe to believe in their potential. His success is proof that education creates opportunities and can elevate anyone who dares to dream and work hard. As we celebrate the role of education in promoting equality, let's remember that achieving true equality is a collective effort. Governments must ensure quality education for all. Schools and teachers must foster inclusive environments, and as individuals, we must support and uplift those who need it most. To borrow a simple but powerful idea, education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Let's use this weapon wisely and ensure that it reaches everyone. Because when we educate, we don't just enlighten minds, we equalize opportunities, empower future, and build a better, more just world.